Hi, welcome to my kitchen. It's been a while and I'm not going to address why I haven't been posting. Today is May the 4th. Well, actually today's May the 3rd. Tomorrow's May the 4th. But you're going to be watching this tomorrow because I'm filming this yesterday. Everybody knows that May the 4th is Star Wars Day. Now, I personally am not really into Star Wars. I tried to watch the first movie and I fell asleep. But my dad has always loved Star Wars. And this is my brother's sweatshirt. So, I love being fake. I decided that I wanted to make a cake for Star Wars Day. Originally it was going to be cupcakes, but there was a problem. Sophia and I have decided to stop eating sugar for a month. And as you know, cakes have sugar. But I've managed to find a non-sugar recipe. It'll probably taste like garbage. It'll probably turn out really bad. But it's the thought that counts. For this recipe, you'll need 1 cup of flour, 12 egg whites. Yes, I said 12. 1/4 of a cup of cornstarch. Normally you would need 1.5 cups of sugar, but I'm using stevia, which has no calories and it's like the healthier version of sugar, and it measures like sugar, so I'm using 1.5 cups of stevia. But be careful because some sugar alternatives are way sweeter than regular sugar, so you're gonna need to see like a conversion chart if you're gonna use that. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar, and a pinch of salt. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now you're going to need your sifter and you're going to sift together your stevia, your flour, your cornstarch, and your pinch of salt. Now you're going to set your flour mixture aside and work on the eggs. So you're going to put all 12 of your egg whites into a bowl, and you're also going to put in your cream of tartar. And now you're going to whip it in your electric mixer until it has it's puffy, you know? And then you're gonna slowly add in the vanilla extract. So I think my egg whites are frothy enough and I just added the vanilla, so I think I'm good. The next thing that you have to do is you have to take in your flour mixture and slowly pour it into the eggs. Okay, now you're just gonna get a pan, you're gonna grease it, and you're gonna pour the batter in. So I don't really know how long this is supposed to go in for. So I'm just going to put it in for 20 minutes, hope for the best, and if it's not done, then I'll just add more time and I'll tell you at the end how much it is. In the meantime, I'm going to show you how to make sugar-free icing. Okay, so for this you're going to need sugar-free whipped topping, sugar-free vanilla jello pudding thing, and 1/4 cup of skim milk. So I don't remember the exact instructions, so I'm just going to make it up. I'm just going to say mix them all together. Just do it. Okay, well, since this is really fluffy, I'm just gonna put it in the freezer until it's time to ice the cake. Okay, so I put it in for 20 minutes and it's done. It's hard. Is it supposed to be hard? Okay, will this fit, do you think? Oh yeah, totally. Okay, I mean, she's cute. I fully expected this to rise, but I think it shrunk. I'm just gonna let this cool down for a bit. I think I'm just gonna cover it all in white, and then I'm gonna make 2 lightsabers crossing each other. Right? I'm gonna take some icing, put it in a cup. I'm gonna put some black food coloring in it, probably expired, I don't care. I'm not sure I like that. But what did I expect from expired coloring? Does that look black to you? It doesn't look black to me. And I found a candle with the number 4, so May the 4th be with you. The cake isn't cold enough to ice yet. It just smells like flour. So I don't know if that's a good thing. I gave up trying to wait. So even though it is a bit warm, I'm gonna ice it anyways. I could pass that off as a design, right? Yeah, it looks like it's a planet. That's why it looks so clumpy. It's good, it's just ugly. Now I'm gonna do the actual decorating part. I'm just gonna put the 4 right here. So it could be May the 4th be with you. Okay, that did not work. We're just going to finger paint some lightsabers. This looks so disgusting. It looks like little turds.
Is this 4 years of Green Shield?
What does 4 stand for?
May the 4th be with you.
Ah!
Yay!
I like it.
I hate it. It just tastes like pure flour.
It's cool too.
Alright, so that's it. I'm sorry you had to put up with that. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.